PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. As a locally owned family-run HVAC company, we offer free installation quotes on all brands of furnaces and air conditioners. Our team also installs humidifiers, dehumidifiers, mini-split systems, thermostats, and air purifiers. Call our emergency HVAC repair service if you have questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What does HVAC maintenance include? HVAC maintenance includes cleaning coils, drains, and elements thoroughly, examining connectors, motors, and thermostats, and monitoring refrigerant pressure. What happens if I avoid HVAC maintenance? Your cooling system loses efficiency, indoor comfort decreases, and you may need expensive repairs. Indoor air quality and premature AC failure are risks. What is your service area for the Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair service have helped clients in Drexel Hill, Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndham, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, and Millbourne, Pennsylvania. Where is your Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Drexel-Hill-AC-Heating-Repair-Install.